up, pretty gang? It's your girl Lee. You already know. Put them beats up. Yup. Pretty gang, put them beats down. Yes. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna do a beat today. Yes, I am. And I'm gonna do like a glitter with blue, and I'm just gonna try my best because I never worked with glitter before, but I'm gonna work with glitter today. So yeah, let's get into it. Let me go ahead and just put some tape because this is my first time playing in some glitter, baby. So we finna put some tape so I can get the shape, and we finna put some tape so we can prevent as much fallout as we can. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? Hit me with that blue shot. So we going in with the light blue color in the James Charles mini palette. I don't know the name of it because I lost the slip with the names of it, and the names are not on the palette. So it's the lighter version. Go ahead and get into it. I already did my eyebrows off the camera. I already have a video of showing how I do my eyebrows. So if you want to see the eyebrows, just go and watch some videos, okay? Anyways, if you're thinking about getting a James Charles palette, I recommend getting the mini one like I got, because the mini is better than the bigger, because the mini came out a year after the bigger one and the formula was perfected with the mini. So there you go, just saying. We got some glue in the mix, so I'm using the Duo Lash Glue. It is the green one. They say the green one is like vegan, cruelty free. Don't ask me. I believe it is. That's what I heard, so that's what I did. But anyways, I'm just taking that glue, putting it on top of the eye. Now y'all see that glitter, that blue glitter? Yeah, that's some unreleased Well Babe Beauty glitter. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. It look good, don't it? But don't say nothing. Anyways, I got other stuff on the website, so if y'all want to shop, link in the description, www.wellbabebeauty.com, all together, no space. Ooh, that sounds like a hashtag. Look at that glitter, though. Hey. Well Babe Beauty is just the best beauty brand. I'm just saying, like, it is. Y'all see, I'm just taking more of the glue, putting it on. I'm just doing this constantly and consistently over the eye. Keep putting glue, putting the glitter, putting the glue, putting the glitter. Simple, straight like that. I want to get to know you guys. So what is your favorite color? Let me know in the comments down below. Comment your favorite color. And do you like long nails or short nails? So comment that. Like, you know, I'm a short nail girl and my favorite color is gray. That's just a little bit about me. So what's about you? Juvia Place review. Let's get into it. I'm using the Gobbi setting powder. Somebody recommended this, so I'm trying it. They put this exact color in my hand. I believe this is the darkest shade. Don't quote me on it, but I think it is. Anyways, for starters, when I took this thing out of the box, that little clear ceiling was so hard to take off. Then when I finally got it off, it was so hard for like the pigment to come through the little holes, the little dots. Like, I made a mess because I was banging on it trying to get it out. But as y'all can see, it applies very nice onto the skin. But don't let this result overpower the end result, because we need to make sure it don't have flashbacks. So keep watching the video. So I like the way it applies. It applies nice. It sits really, really nice with my skin tone. Like, I'm really feeling this color for my skin tone. Like, trust, it's cute. This video is not sped up because I want y'all to see the quality of the just everything in general. Like, I want y'all to really get into it. This thing looks so good on my skin. I'm sorry, I can't help but say it. Like, Juvia, this is a nice color. Ooh, look at me pulling back the headband. That is not a headband. That is a bandana. OMG. This is, let me just be quiet. Anyways, yes, I'm putting it all over the face. This is my first time actually using powder. And this is also my first time, like, I guess you could say hard contour, because I use like a cream contour on my cheeks. And I'm trying to like define it, especially with this powder, because I heard like when you use color color setting powder to define your contour, that it just gives you a really good end result. So I'm trying it out. My first time. Everything in this video is my first time using, so I don't want to hear no hate. No hate. Blue hearts in the comments. I'm taking that same color blue when I was doing my lids, putting it under my eye. I'm not putting it on my waterline. This is not eyeliner. This is eyeshadow. I'm just putting it under my eye, not my waterline. Okay? First time using mascara. This is the Buxom mascara, so I'm probably not even using it right, but because I'm a lash girl, so when I wear eyelashes I never like use mascara, but I'm using it now, so let's get into it. What would I be without my Anastasia glow kit? It got all the exotic fun colors in it, so I'm using the blue, putting it on the cupid's bow, the nose, the cheeks, to give me just like that oomph of color. Juvia's Place review time. Okay, y'all. So when I was applying it, it looked so cute on my skin, like it was going to melt, like it was going to be butter, but it did not look like that in the end. I will insert the pictures at the end of this video. It was not that cute. Like, it made me gray. It didn't even serve its purpose, which was no flashback, because I had a lot of flashback and I looked like a ghost. So I don't like it. I wouldn't recommend. But let me tell you something. That clear on my lip is from wellbabebeauty.com. Get you some.